Forging machines are some of the coolest to watch, powerful, precise, and mesmerizing as raw steel is shaped into flawless parts with brute force and accuracy. Rectangular bars stand as the opposite of round pipes, yet they carry just as much importance in heavy industry. Built to be harder, stronger, and more durable, these forged bars are preferred by manufacturers who demand reliability and precision. The forging process itself is brutal yet effective. Heated metal is subjected to extreme pressure, forcing the grain to align. This creates a tighter internal structure and superior strength, making each bar not only tough but also incredibly precise in form. Their size and weight vary depending on the material. Carbon and alloy steel bars can reach lengths of up to 220 inches, 5.5 meters, and weigh an astonishing 60,000 pounds, 27,000 kilograms. On the other hand, stainless steel, nickel, and superalloys are typically shorter, around 60 inches, 1.5 meters, and max out at 15,000 pounds, 6,800 kilograms. From massive bridges and shipbuilding projects to oil fields, medical tools, and industrial walkways, rectangular bars prove their worth in countless applications. Imagine a machine so powerful, it can bend and shape massive blocks of steel with a single strike. That's the heavy-duty hammer, an essential force behind the forging process. These colossal hammers deliver crushing blows strong enough to mold giant pieces of metal and construction blocks into precise shapes. Without them, building large-scale tools and parts would be nearly impossible. Among these titans, one stands above the rest, the world's heaviest counterblow hammer, engineered by the renowned Schuler Group. Designed for unmatched performance on industrial production lines, it delivers an astonishing 1,400 kilojoules of energy, equivalent to the impact of a 54,000-ton forging press. With that kind of raw force, this hammer can forge metal parts weighing up to 6,000 pounds, or 2,700 kilograms. Morito, based in Osaka, Japan, is one of the country's leading forging companies, specializing in small-caliber steel work. Founded in 1992, the company has spent nearly 3 decades perfecting its craft, producing high-quality forged components used across industries, from ring gears and crankshafts to countless small-scale tools and equipment. And when larger or more complex shapes are required, Morito relies on its massive hydraulic presses and hammers to transform red-hot steel into everything from dumbbell-shaped shafts to elongated pipes. With its blend of advanced machinery and decades of expertise, Morito proves that even small-scale forging can deliver world-class strength. Franchini HO Pipes has earned global recognition as one of Italy's leading forging companies, known for transforming raw steel into flawless industrial components. From power generation equipment to machinery for the mechanical industry, there's almost no shape or form this manufacturer can't achieve. One of their specialties is large steel pipes, among the most challenging products to forge. Creating them demands extreme precision, powerful tools, and a careful eye for detail. Using materials such as stainless steel, nickel alloys, and super duplex steels, the process begins by placing the heated metal between upper and lower dies. Intense pressure molds the material, and then a forging hammer drives down with immense force, giving the pipe its seamless, cylindrical form. Once the basic shape is achieved, additional steps refine the design, adding details, shaping the ends, or adjusting diameters for specialized shafts. Forged pipes hold clear advantages. They are seamless, strong, and internally aligned, ensuring superior durability. Germany is world-famous for precision engineering, and its forging machines prove why. At BGH Edelstahl, massive open-die hammers shape metal bars weighing up to 30 tons with unmatched force. In Canada, Sorel Forge stands at the heart of the forging industry. Known for its advanced open-die steel forging, the company specializes in producing high-quality forged bars with unmatched precision. With powerful in-house melting machinery, Sorel Forge can heat and forge metal pieces weighing up to 59,000 pounds, 27,000 kilograms. Massive rectangular and round bars are shaped under the force of heavy-duty hammers. Long steel bars may look simple at construction sites, but forging them is a precise and powerful process. To achieve their perfect round diameters, raw steel is hammered repeatedly with massive forging machines that flatten and reshape the sides. The bars are then cut into smaller sections. Steel balls are among the most widely used forged products, and few companies make them better than Shandong Arata, one of China's leading forging enterprises. With over 40 years of expertise and distribution in more than 120 countries, the company has built a reputation for precision and consistency in producing forged grinding balls. The process begins with long shafts of raw steel, which are heated until malleable. These shafts are then cut into smaller sections, and each piece is carefully rounded at the edges. To ensure flawless performance, the newly formed balls undergo a series of steps on 4 continuous hot-rolled production lines, operating around the clock to meet global demand. What sets Shandong apart is its advanced reheating and hardening systems. The result is a product that performs reliably in heavy-duty industries. Gear forging is one of the most intricate processes in modern industry, shaping everything from tiny watch components to massive gears used in vehicles and heavy machinery. The journey begins with blanking, heating raw metal until it's ready to take form. Long round cylinders are hammered into precise dimensions, forming the base structure of a gear. A smaller hammer then drives into the hot steel, creating the hollow center that defines the gear's function. From there, the forging process refines the shape. Wide diameter gears require extension, where hot steel is stretched and pulled to achieve the right thinness and width. Casting comes next. Powerful hammers with detailed patterns stamp the heated metal, imprinting the final curves and notches. This allows forging machines to produce an incredible range of gear types, from helical and spur gears with intricate exterior teeth to smooth, rounded forms. The result is durability and precision, ensuring these forged gears perform reliably everywhere, from delicate pocket watches to powerful engines and automated machinery. Anyang Forging Press is one of the world's leading manufacturers of forging machinery, specializing in both open die and closed die systems. Based in China, this powerhouse has expanded globally, supplying advanced equipment to over 60 countries. Among its most popular innovations are the CNC hydraulic die forging hammer and the steel bar shearing machine, tools designed for precision and efficiency in heavy industry. Their open die machine, in particular, is a standout. Built with an arc and bridge design, its massive 10-ton hammer delivers up to 490 kilojoules of energy, striking with incredible force to shape metals of all sizes and forms. This balance of brute power and precision is why Anyang's machines are trusted worldwide, especially in industries